Crumble creates Chai Latte Biscotti, the perfect sweet treat to serve with your morning cup of coffee or as an afternoon pick-me-up. Simply irresistible. The cookie dough comes together in a matter of minutes with Crumble Crate's pre-measured dry ingredients. The addition of brown butter adds a nutty depth of flavor to your cookie batter. Your baking kit contains vanilla extracted in Kentucky bourbon, which adds a beautiful caramel undertone to your biscotti. Don't forget to add my signature chai spice mix to your cookie dough. It's what gives this traditional Italian cookie an exotic flavor profile. Come learn the pro tips and techniques on how to work with a sticky cookie dough, how to form your biscotti into perfect rectangles before its first bake, how to keep the dough from cracking before its second bake, and of course, how to create and maintain the biscotti's signature crispy, crunchy texture. Once the biscottis have cooked and cooled on a wire rack, it's time to decorate them with a creamy and spicy icing. Place your prepared icing in the piping bag provided in your baking kit. Next, it's time to simply drizzle it over each cookie. For a professional bakery-style look, I like to drizzle it over just half of the biscotti. A classic Italian treat with a spicy twist. Happy baking!